Good morning, my all dear children. So, we have learned up to now about the all four pollutions. We have learned about the air pollution, we have learned about the water pollution, we have learned about the land pollution, and we have learned about the noise pollution also. And we have learned that what it can do. Okay, how harmful it is for us and for our environment. Now, let us learn that how to reduce this pollution. Students, it's not that difficult to control the pollution, but we have to work together for this. Okay, like you and me, your family, your neighbors, they have to work and to reduce the pollution and it must be started by you first. Okay, so how to cure the pollution, how to curb the pollution is the first way that stop wasting paper. I have seen many children are wasting paper unnecessarily, tearing paper, throwing litters here and there. Do not do that. Why? Because paper is made up of trees. Okay, and the more paper you waste, more in the number of trees being cut. If the trees are less, trees are being cut, then how we will reproduce, how we will breathe? हमें जो ऑक्सीजन मिलती है, why we are getting it from? We are getting it from trees only. And trees are very important for our environment because they are making our air pure. So first, do not waste paper. Stop wasting the paper. Use it wisely. So what you will do from now? You will not waste paper unnecessarily, tearing it. Okay. So now let's learn about the second point, that do not use plastic or polythene bags. Use the cloth bags or a jute bag instead. They can be reused and they do not pollute the environment when disposed. So I'll show you one thing. So here is the example. As you can see, there are three bags in front of you. So one is this. Okay, this is a jute bag, and second one is this. This is a poly bag, and third one is the cloth bag. Okay, what is the better thing about these bags? That this bag is very cheap. It is available anywhere. Okay, but what we are doing, we must not use this bag. Why we must not use this poly bag? Because it is made up of plastic. This polythene is made up of plastic and it will not destroy after thousands and thousands of the year, which I have already told you in my previous videos. So what we can use instead? We can instead use a jute bag and a cloth bag, because we can use it again and again. We can wash it, we can reuse these bags, and they are environment friendly also. See, it is written also over here that nature protects if she is protected. So we have to protect the nature by using a cloth bag and a poly bag. So this is right, and this is wrong. We must not use poly bag, we must use a jute bag or a cloth bag. Take your shopping bags with your home, at your home only, from your home only. Do not use this kind of bag. Okay. So now let's come to the third point. It says that switch off lights and fans when not in use. Why you should do that? Because to produce electricity, fossil fuel is burned, which releases smoke into the air, hence save electricity to prevent air from being polluted. Okay, so we have to switch off the light bulbs. Why we should switch off it? Because आपने फॉसल फ्यूल सुना है? फॉसल फ्यूल्स क्या होते हैं? फॉसल फ्यूल्स होते हैं कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम. कोल, कोयला, पेट्रोलियम जैसे पेट्रोल, डीजल. ओके, so they are called fossil fuels. What they are called? Fossil fuels. कोल, पेट्रोल, डीजल, जिससे आपके पापा की गाड़ी चलती है. We are running cars and buses with the help of fossil fuels. So इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी इन्हीं फॉसिल फ्यूल्स से बनती है. ठीक है, और आपको पता होगा जब आपने गाड़ी चलती हुई देखी होगी तो पीछे से कितना सारा धुआं निकलता है. वैसा ही धुआं इधर भी निकलता है. तो हमें क्या करना है, वी मस्ट सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ताकि हम ज़्यादा फॉसिल फ्यूल यूज़ ना करें. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर नॉट इनसाइड द रूम, make sure that you switch off all the light bulbs and the fan switches and the AC switches so you can save more and more electricity, so less air can get polluted. Now let's come to the fourth point. What it says: get your car checked for pollution annually. Or see what this man is doing. This uncle is checking the car whether it is creating pollution or not. एक पोल्यूशन मीटर होता है कि कौन सी कार ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन कर रही है, कौन सी कार कम पोल्यूशन कर रही है. तो हमें वो हमेशा चेक करवाना है और हमारी कार को हमेशा रिपेयर करवाना है ताकि वो कम पोल्यूशन क्रिएट करे. वी डोंट वांट टू मेक आवर एनवायरनमेंट डर्टी एंड नॉट इन आवर कार ऑल द व्हीकल्स, मोटर बाइक्स एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. और ऑलवेज यू डू कारपूल. व्हाट इज कारपूल? कारपूल का नाम सुना है कभी? कारपूल मीन्स शेयरिंग द कार. ओके, like four people are going in same places, like I am going to school, you are going to school and your other teachers are going to school. We can go by a single bus. हम अलग अलग व्हीकल यूज नहीं करें, हम एक ही व्हीकल यूज करें, हम एक ही कार यूज करें. So that is called a carpool. Okay, sharing the car for going same destination. This is the system in cabs also if you have ever used it. Or use public transport for going one place to another. Not now, don't go anywhere. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Now next is do not waste water. Clean and fresh water is precious. I have already told you that there is scarcity of water, less water, fresh water. Only 1% water is available for drinking. So do not waste water, it's very precious. Now next is do not buy clothes and accessories made from skin and bones of animals and also discourage others from doing so. So what you have to do, that do not buy things made up of leather and animal skin. Okay, it is also creating pollution when you burn it and when you dispose it. And अपने friends को भी ऐसा नहीं करने दो. Okay, now next is discourage the use of loudspeaker in public areas. जो भी ज़्यादातर लाउड स्पीकर्स को हमें यूज नहीं करना चाहिए. We have seen in the previous video that how this loudspeaker song is being irritating our ears. So it creates noise pollution. So we must not use these loudspeakers everywhere. Now next is do not burn firecrackers. What are firecrackers? पटाखे. ये तो सबसे बुरी बात है. We must not burn firecrackers because it is creating two pollutions. दो pollution फैलाता है ये. एक air pollution and one is noise pollution. When it bursts, it creates a lot of sound and smoke. बहुत सारा धुआं और sound निकलता है और इसके साथ साथ कभी कभी ये हमको जला भी देता है. So what is there? That do not burn firecrackers. Not only they cause air and noise pollution, they also cause major accidents when they are being produced by young children in factories. They lead to death because of the burns. और यही नहीं, इनको फायर क्रैकर्स को छोटे छोटे बच्चे बनाते हैं और कभी कभी ये फायर क्रैकर्स उनके हाथ में ही फट जाते हैं बनाते बनाते और उनके हाथों में बहुत ज़्यादा जल जाता है. सो वी मस्ट नॉट यूज़ दीज क्रैकर्स ताकि ये सारी इंडस्ट्रीज बंद हो जाएं और छोटे बच्चों को फायर क्रैकर्स की फैक्ट्रीज में काम नहीं करना पड़े. वी विल लर्न मोर अबाउट दिस. सो व्हाट यू विल डू फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन दिवालीज एंड ईद्स, यू विल नॉट यूज फायर क्रैकर फर्स्ट. कीप योर एनवायरमेंट नीट एंड क्लीन. हम दिए जला के भी तो दिवाली मना सकते हैं. और deter means stop people from disposing waste, especially plastic waste, into water bodies. Also, rivers are not meant for bathing and washing clothes and domestic animals. If we have seen in the previous video that people have thrown a lot of garbage in water. In activity also we have seen that. So do not throw plastic waste here and there. Throw it in dustbins. And don't bath in river water. Next is we must dispose waste only into dustbin. हमें हमेशा हमारा कचरा डस्टबिन में ही फेंकना चाहिए. पता है ना हमको ये बात? तो ऑलरेडी आई थिंक माई ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर थ्रोइंग गार्बेज इन डस्टबिन, डोंट यू? इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग, सो नाउ डू इट. एंड ऑल्सो यूज सेपरेट डस्टबिन फॉर वेजिटेबल पील एंड प्लास्टिक. अब मैंने ऐसा क्यों बोला कि वेजिटेबल पील को अलग थ्रो करना है और प्लास्टिक को अलग? क्यों? क्योंकि वेजिटेबल पील से हम मेन्योर बना सकते हैं, हम खाद बना सकते हैं. चलो वी विल डू वन एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो, आई विल शेयर इट वीडियो इन माई नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो थ्रो वेजिटेबल पील सेपरेटली. वेजिटेबल्स का कचरा, फ्रूट का कचरा अलग फेंकना है और प्लास्टिक वेस्ट अलग फेंकना है. क्यों? क्योंकि वेजिटेबल पील्स जो होता है वो डिस्पोज हो जाता है ग्राउंड में, उससे खाद बनती है, मेन्योर बनता है. एंड प्लास्टिक वी विल यूज इट इन डिफरेंट वेज. ओके, वी कैन रिसाइकल इट. हम उसको फेंक तो नहीं सकते बट हम उसको रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं. व्हाट वी कैन डू? वी कैन रिसाइकल इट, वी कैन रीयूज इट. सो इन द प्रीवियस one we have learned about the 10 ways to secure our environment. Now let's have a look about this firecracker thing. So how these are made? See, these are small children and they are making the firecrackers with their hands. Sometimes this firecracker burst in their hands only and they get injured, badly injured, and their whole life is went like this. Sometimes they get blind also. Their hand is also they lost their hands forever. So what you have, see it, you can read is also there. They are made up of harmful chemicals. ये बहुत सारे हार्मफुल केमिकल से बना हुआ होता है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस है. हाथों से इनको बनाते हैं, इसलिए डू नॉट बर्न फायर क्रैकर्स. और स्टिल इफ यू बर्न दीज फायर क्रैकर्स, so what it cause? See, pollution. It cause air pollution, noise pollution, and what it cause to us. और जो elderly people होते हैं और जिनको asthmatic people होते हैं उनको breathing में problem आता है. और आपके घर में अगर dogs और cats हो तो उनके वो कितने डर जाते हैं जब आप फायर क्रैकर चलाते हो. उनके ईयर्स बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होते हैं, कभी कभी तो उनके ईयर फट भी जाते हैं ज़्यादा क्रैकर्स चलाने से. समझे आप? तो आपको क्या नहीं करना है, आपको फायर क्रैकर्स नहीं चलाने अगर आपको अपने डॉग्स और कैट्स के ईयर्स सेव करने हैं तो. तो डॉग्स और कैट्स आपने देखा होगा जब भी फायर क्रैकर चलाते हैं तो कितने डर जाते हैं. सो डू नॉट बर्न देम बिकॉज दे हैव वेरी सेंसिटिव ईयर्स. सो celebrate your festivals like Diwali, Eid, Dashera with lightning because they are festival of light. Do not burn crackers. So I hope you understand that how to save our environment from the pollution. I think that you will all do this. You all are good children. So bye bye, take care. I'll see you in my next video. What you have to do, read the chapter. I'll have given some homework to that.